Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to remove a billing address from Shopify checkout. So first you have to simply open up your Shopify account, and after that at the left bottom side you can see we have the option for settings. You have to simply click onto it. Now you can see all these options on the left side. You have to click onto this one, which is shipping and delivery. Once you click onto it, further few options will come up. From all these options, you have to scroll down and click on packing slips and further click onto this option, and then you will see this code. Now what you have to do is you have to click onto this option, which is for the preview. As you click onto it, another tab will open. It will just take a while and you will see your packing slip. Now as you can see, this is the address and this is what we don't want to have, and now what we have to do is to delete it. Now just get back to the settings and click onto this checkout option from the left, and as you click onto it you will see you get many different options that we find on the checkout page. Now there we have these two options, which is address line and shipping address phone number. You have to make sure you have selected dot include, because if you do so these options will not appear on the checkout page, and after that you just have to simply save it. Now we just have to simply again go back to shipping and delivery to go to our packing slips. So as you get onto this page, scroll down and click on packing slips, and after that you will see this code gets open. Now what you have to do is you have to scroll down and then you have to find a line which says thank you for shopping, which usually comes at the end of the page. Now under this option you will see this one, which is called a shop address summary. You have to simply select it and delete it along with that bracket br which is on top of it. So just simply delete it and after that remove the spaces and save it. And once it gets saved, then you will have to go to its preview. So for that reason, click onto this preview option and the packing slip will get open, and once it gets open, at the end you will see the address option is now gone, and whenever it gets sent to the customer you would not see any sort of address written up there. So that's how you can remove billing address from Shopify checkout. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. In case you enjoyed this channel or you have not subscribed yet, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. Leave a like, leave a comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.